Hi, this is Anil and welcome to Maths in PHP series. In this topic we are going to learn PHP Maths. First we will understand what is a PHP Maths. PHP has a set of math functions that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on number. Okay, so you can perform any mathematical task using PHP. First we will understand what are the mathematical tasks and what are the PHP functions which we are going to use for the mathematical task. So the first function is a pi, okay, which means it will returns the value of pi. Okay, and the second one is min. That mean the minimum number, it will find the minimum number, and it means find the lowest value in a list of arguments. Okay, and the third one is max. It find the highest value in the list of arguments. If for example we have some argument like 2, 9, 8, 3, 5. So here when we use the max function, it will tell 9 because in the argument the maximum number is a 9. Okay, understand? Now the fourth one is ABS. It means absolute. So it will return the absolute positive value of a number. Okay, you will understand every single function in the example section. And now it's time for square root, that is SQRT. It returns the square root of a number. We all know the square root of a, like I want to find the square root of 30, then it's hard to calculate, but using this function it's very simple to calculate. I will show you in the practical section. And then round function rounds a floating point number to its nearest integer. This means if my floating point number is 3.561, then the nearest number will be 3.561, then the nearest number will be 4. Understand? Now another function, that is rand function. As you can see, it generates a random number. When we use this function, it generate a random number, any number. It's basically used to generate a password. When we click generate password, it create random number. Now it's time for pi function. We are going to understand more clearly with example in pi function. So as we can see, first we started the PHP basic syntax, and then there is a echo. Inside echo I use pi function, so it returns 3.14159265358898, which is the value of pi. Okay, our next function is min function. As you can see the example of min function, same start PHP, then echo and min. It means find the minimum number in the list, in the argument. So as you can see, 0, 150, 30, 20, -8, minus 200, and we all know the minimum value will be minus 200, so its output will be minus 200. Now it's time for max function, and same, start PHP, then echo, and here we are using the max as a function. Inside the function we written the arguments that are 0, 150, 30, 20, minus 8 and minus 200. Same. So tell me what is the maximum here. So it is 150, so it's written 150. Now ABS function. As you can see, the example of ABS function, and as I told you, it's help to find absolute positive value. Okay, so you can see echo ABS, and inside ABS there is a number minus 6.7, and the positive number of minus 6.7 will be 6.7, so its result will be 6.7. Now as square root function, now we have taken example echo sqrt, same function. Inside this 64, I used 64, and it's written 8. We all know the square root of 64 will be 8. Now round function. So I told you what is the use of round function. It's mean round off. Alright, and the example says echo. Inside echo function there is round function. Inside round we use the value 0.60, and the round off of 0.60 will be 1, and in the second one we use round off 0.49, and we all know its result will be 0. Why this result will be 0? Because the nearest value of 0.49 is 0, not 1. Alright. Now rand function. So we will just write this code, PHP start and then echo rand, and it will just refresh the page and it will generate a random number. Again we refresh the page, it will generate the new random number. Again we refresh the page, it will generate the new random number. Like this the circle will flow. And this is the another example. We can use the rand number. If I want to create the random number between this and this number, then it will create it. Okay, in the next video we are going to see it in practical way, and in upcoming topic we are going to cover constants.